very nice week to kick off the work week. We're actually starting to see a lot more green showing up on the WeatherBug camera. The leaves are really starting to come out across campus, and that's really going to ramp up as we get over the next several days with temperatures in the 70s and 80s. Right now, we're seeing temperatures at 77 in Charleston, even have a little bit of a heat index, feeling like 78 degrees. We have a southerly wind at about 20 miles an hour right now. That's going to continue for the next couple days, too. That's what's going to be bringing in that warmer air as we go into the forecast. As for right now, elsewhere across central Illinois, 74 for Robinson, 75 in Danville, 77 also in Paris, Terre Haute, and Effingham. Champaign's our warm spot this evening. They're holding on to the 80-degree mark. That's where we're all going to be getting as we get into tomorrow. Satellite radar shows mostly clear skies across central Illinois. We have seen some clouds moved in earlier this afternoon. You'll see that disturbance further off to our south. So I think we will see a little bit of cloud cover here in the next few hours, but then this clearing that's over portions of Iowa and western Illinois will settle into the region, giving us overall mostly clear skies as we go into the evening hours. So what I'm tracking, we have that taste of summer tomorrow with temperatures even warmer than they were today. But then we're going to cool down a little bit thanks to a cold front that's going to bring us some chances for some showers and maybe even some thunderstorms. Also the threat for some heavy rainfall, especially in southern parts of the area. But we're looking at a nice and dry weekend. It could be our first dry weekend for a while. So that's also something to look forward to in the forecast. But first things first, let's take a look at tomorrow. Our 4x4 forecast, all 16 of our counties, 4 at a time. This is what we're expecting for daytime highs tomorrow. We're going to be seeing highs in the lower to middle 80s across parts of central Illinois. 84 for Taylorville, 83 in Shelbyville. Further up to the north, 84 for Champaign and Hoopeston, 84 down in Newman, and then in Charleston sitting at 83 degrees along with Paris and Terre Haute. And our southern tier of counties, 82 for Effingham and 83 in Oblong. So all in all, get out and enjoy it, and maybe a little bit warmer than you'd like, but definitely better than last Tuesday when we had the snow falling across parts of central Illinois. Looking ahead, it is going to be a fairly short-lived warm up into the 80s. Our average for this time of year is 70 degrees. We'll be down to 75 Wednesday as the cold front starts to move through. The cold front will drop us back down into the middle 60s, but then temperatures will start to rebound as we head back into the weekend. So now we'll talk about the rain showers that will be moving through. This is Wednesday at 7 o'clock. So again, not tomorrow. This is not until we get till Wednesday. Start the day with mostly cloudy skies, and then showers and some thunderstorms could be rumbling through as we get into the morning hours on Wednesday. You'll notice the darker colors here indicating some heavier rain pushing through with this system. That'll continue to surge through the region, and then maybe another round as we get into the afternoon hours. But it's not going to be an all-day washout. We will catch some dry time over the course of our Wednesday evening before additional rounds of showers and some embedded thunderstorms move in here as we get into the daytime on Thursday. And you'll notice the heaviest rain with this system does stay across our southern counties throughout the duration of that event. So as we put futurecast rainfall totals into motion, we could see impressive rainfall amounts anywhere from 1 to 2, maybe even 3 inches in some of our southwestern areas. And of course, the track of the system could change, so be sure to tune in tomorrow. Steve Nelmore will have the latest forecast update for you. We could also see some stronger storms with this system. The Storm Prediction Center does have all of us in a marginal risk for severe weather come Wednesday. But for tonight, 59 degrees, so a very mild overnight. Mostly clear skies, remaining breezy. We could see wind gusts up to 30 miles an hour tonight. Wind gusts of 35 miles an hour tomorrow. That'll be boosting our highs into the lower 80s, so a summer-like day for our Tuesday. And as we look at the next 7 days, once we get to those rain showers on Wednesday and Thursday, again back down into the 60s, but by the time we get towards Sunday, we're already bumping back into the 70s, and next week back into the upper 70s too, so plenty of sunshine this weekend.